Presenting HP 15S 11th generation Intel Core i3 laptop in natural silver. It comes in a size of 35.8 into 24.2 into 1.8 centimeters and weighs 1.69 kilograms. It runs on 11th generation Intel Core i3 1115 G4 processor and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home 64 Plus Single Language Edition, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 and 30 days free trial of McAfee Live Safe. It has 8 GB DDR4-3200 SDRAM and Intel UHD Graphics with 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. The laptop is powered with up to 7 hours of battery life and a fast charge of 50% in 45 minutes. The 15.6 inches FHD Micro Edge anti-glare display comes with 250 nits brightness and a resolution of 1080 pixels. Enjoy stereo sound with dual inbuilt speakers. The laptop features built-in Alexa, HP True Vision HD camera with dual array digital microphones. It is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with 3 USB ports, HDMI port, headphone jack and AC smart pen. The box contains the laptop and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.